Welcome back to Autoscope. Design of the Suzuki Motorhome 2026. Exterior. Vehicle base. The RV will most likely be built on top of Suzuki's existing or newly developed commercial van platform. A more costly model may utilize Suzuki's SUV architecture, which has been modified to permit a small amount of off-roading. Compact dimensions. Suzuki will give preference to smaller RVs over larger campers due to their fuel efficiency and ease of mobility in constrained areas and urban areas. Contemporary and practical style. Clean lines, seamlessly integrated windows, and a focus on aerodynamics for efficiency will all be features of the external design. Automatic awnings that fold sideways to expand living space. Camping areas can be illuminated using LED outdoor lighting. There are integrated external electricity connections and a fresh water filling port. Interior design and layout. The master bed could be a platform bed that folds out or a transformative bed. The kitchen is equipped with a refrigerator, a tiny sink with a fold-out faucet, and a portable gas or single-burner induction stove. A welcoming seat that might be used as additional storage. There is a ton of hidden storage space under the floor, around the walls, and under the ceiling. Performance and drivetrain. Effective engines. The 1.5 liters or 2.0 all-gasoline engines are fuel efficient, or even a hybrid option for even greater efficiency, in keeping with Suzuki's focus on economics. Both manual and automatic transmissions are available. Drivetrain. Front-wheel drive FWD is standard, however for light-duty applications, Suzuki L-Grip for by-4 all-wheel drive AWD are options. The features of the current infotainment system include a large touchscreen, navigation, a rear-view camera, and Apple CarPlay Android Auto connectivity. Self-contained electrical system. The car alternator can be used to charge a lithium-ion leisure battery, which is lightweight and long-lasting, and an inverter to drive air conditioning equipment. Climate control. The front cabin has built-in air conditioning, while the rear area can be heated by electricity or diesel.